Who is this? Can I just make some lasagna really quick? Hey there, I'm Christina Avanti Fisher. Welcome to my kitchen. Oh my goodness. So it's the holidays, and today I'm going to show you how I make my roasted gluten-free vegetable lasagna. I use potatoes instead of lasagna noodles. We've got onion, and then my pesto, which you can find the recipe on this channel as well, my homemade pesto, and then we have a little bit of red sauce and goat cheese. I don't know where that is right now, but we'll get that out of the fridge, not a problem. And the noise that you hear in the background is my dog. He is sitting on my feet at this moment. Anyways, to start out the recipe, you've got to get the potatoes prepared. All right, so you want to slice your potatoes using a mandolin on the flatter side. All right, how fast and beautiful was that? Okay, I love using these tools because it just gives uniform sizing for all of your vegetables. Now I'm going with the zucchini. You could do green or yellow. I like yellow just for color for this recipe. All we have to do now is slice up the onion and then get the goat cheese ready. I've got my pesto ready, my red sauce, and we are very close to getting this in the oven. I'm doing my final layer of red sauce over the top of the goat cheese and all the vegetables. Then we're gonna cover this little puppy right here with some aluminum foil, and I'm gonna put it into my oven, which has been preheating at 375. So I'm trying to do a thin layer of the red sauce because the vegetables are going to release a lot of water, so you don't need to do a ton. Try to keep it to a thin layer. All right, so we are good. Okay, looks amazing. I'm going to cover it with some foil. I like this foil. It's like little separate pieces. I got it at Costco. Very exciting. There we go. Covered it with foil. It's going in the oven for 45 minutes at 375. Just gonna slide it in here. Gonna set my timer. It looks good. I'm so excited. We're gonna leave it in there for 45 minutes. After that, I'm gonna take the foil off and let it cook for another 10, and then it will be done. Hi, Luca. You wanna help me? We're gonna check the lasagna. Here we go. Don't get your nose in there, baby. It's too hot. Careful. Okay, so it's been in my oven for 45 minutes. I'm just gonna peel the foil off. Very liquidy because those vegetables have a lot of water in them. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to now take the foil off, and then I'm gonna let it cook for another 10 minutes. Let some of that steam and that liquid kind of dissipate. So it's gonna go back in for 10 more minutes. What do you think, Luca? Does it look good? All right, so he seems a little sad because he wants a lunch snack. Do you want lunch? Okay, can I just make some lasagna really quick and then I'll give you lunch. All right, I need to open this, bubby.